You're so dark. I don't know if that's just because you were digging in there. Here, try to get some of the salad. Oh. I can't tell if that's just dirt or not. I think that is dirt. Tybalt, are you covered in dirt? Tybalt, maybe you need a little... Are you closing your eyes at me? Tybalt! My little dirt bag. Oh, look at you. You're covered in dirt. Are you digging? Yeah, you're digging your new soil?